veins. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, oh, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon.
Ini kan ngelipat.
Ya.
Nah, red.
Oh, kayak kipas.
Ya, kayak kipas.
Bikin kipasnya obat nyamuk.
Nah,
Iya.
Ya lah. Nah, kenapa nanti kalau mau ditarik ujungnya, dia bisa keluar. Kalau dilipat gini terus, nggak keluar, malah ini keangkat.
Copot. Ujung kijangnya nggak keluar.
Iya.
Tanduk kijangnya.
Sebetulnya kalau ujung osing itu nggak ada itu. Itu kan ujung itu kan nggak ada.
I won't stop till I hear him say. Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and fight and die for the things.
It's very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone